Hi guys, today I'll be going over 5 questions you should ask the agent hosting an open house. So let's get with it. Question number 1, why is the seller selling the property? And that's a great question. And why is that an important question? Because if you like the property, your first step is to make an offer on it. So for example, if the seller occupies the property and is looking to sell in order to buy another property, they might need anywhere from 3 to 10 days after the close of escrow to vacate the property. So if you include that in the offer, you'd be giving the seller exactly what they want. Question number 2, are there any disclosures or inspections that are ready? That's another great question. Again, if you like the property and if there are disclosures or inspections prepared, you can review them and see if there's any red flags. Sometimes, as beautiful as a home looks, we don't know if there were any underlying issues. And this is why you need to review all the seller disclosures and always have a home inspection completed on your future home. Question number 3, what are the recently sold comparables in the area within a half-mile radius? What we're really looking for is how did the agent come out with the list price of the home? This is the only way to determine whether you're making a good, solid offer or if you're overbidding. Question number 4, are there any offers on this property and is there an offer deadline? So we need to ask because some of these agents submit offers to the sellers right as soon as they come in, and some agents wait for a specific day so they can review all the offers with the seller. And finally, question number 5, what does the seller say about the neighborhood? About the neighbors, nearby schools, amenities such as parks, grocery stores, etc. All of these are great questions to ask the agent representing the seller at the open house, and they're probably 5 of the most common questions that you can ask a listing agent just to get a better idea of what the house consists of and what comes with the neighborhood as well. But there are many more in-depth questions, and that's where we come into play. So when you decide to work with us, we'll be able to tell you exactly how and what actually affects your offer. And from there, we get you into your dream home. So as always, it's my job to make this process as stress-free as possible. And if you have any questions on this topic or are looking to buy or sell, I'm here to help. My contact information is below, and thanks for watching.